Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maram, your girl, with another skincare video. Guys, I am back here like I never left. How are you all doing? I hope you all are good. Guys, in today's video, I just want to bring another home remedy for you guys. And this remedy today, I'm going to be using tomato. And I'm also going to need brown sugar. You all know that whenever you want to exfoliate your skin, you have to go with brown sugar because it's really effective and it works so fast. And I'm also gonna need honey, an antioxidant. Yes, I needed it so well here. So guys, these three remedies I'm gonna combine is gonna give me a perfect look on my face. So if you know you are 50, 60, 70, or you are even at 40 years and you are still looking at that age, please bring back yourself to 15 years, 17 years, 18 years minimum. Yes, because this recipe today is going to help you to have a youthful look, and it's also going to help your spouse to close so well because it's going to remove all the dry skin because we're going to scrub. So you'll be using this treatment once in a week or twice in a week, and then you will see that you'll have a flawless skin, your skin will be glowing, and then you will look to take away. So let's get started on this video. Right now my face is really tiring and somehow swollen because I was sleeping. Yes, I just woke up, but nevertheless I'm going to use my face and do the demonstration. But in that, please, if you love this channel, you better subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any of my videos by clicking on the notification bell as well. Click on all, and all the notifications will come direct to you. And stay tuned for more videos. So I'm gonna take some brown sugar and put inside this bowl here. Just 1 tablespoon is okay. And I'm now gonna add some honey. Are you seeing that? Okay. At this stage, I'm gonna mix. To form a paste. Okay, then I'll put it aside. Then I'm gonna divide this tomato into 2 slices. So here you go. Dapping this here and apply it on my face. So I can't really show you guys how to do it on the video because the rain is so heavy and I don't really know what to do next. But I'm gonna be using this, dipping it inside the formula or the paste, whatever you can call it, then apply it on my face. I'm gonna scrub it in a circular motion, then I'm gonna show you guys after scrubbing and when I wash my face. I think that will be better. Yeah. So as I told you guys, it's raining, and then it's not easy for me to do this video, but I have to because I've already started the video. So I'm going to scrub this in a circular motion. If you do this once in a week or 2 times in a week, somebody will stop you and say, hey, how are you? How old are you? So guys, I've washed my face for the first time. I'm gonna scrub again so that all the dry dead skin will go off, because it's been a while I did not scrub my face. So I'm gonna do this part too. Now I'm gonna target this side where you normally have white heads. Sometimes you have white heads here or black heads. Gently, because our face is very sensitive, especially when you have a sensitive skin. Guys, this video, don't mind, it's not accurate, but we just have to manage it, okay? Because the ring light is not on and I'm using the natural light, that's the sun sign, and it's raining. So this part is my target. The cheeks, the nose, and the forehead. This immediately you finish scrubbing, you just wash your face. You don't have to wait for any time. It's an instant treatment. You see results immediately. So I'm gonna wash my face and come back and show you guys the final results, okay? So stay tuned by subscribing to this channel. Don't wait for me to ask for that. Subscribe. So guys, I'm back here. Oh, I'm feeling so good right now because it's been a while I did not scrub my face. All those days I did not do videos, I wasn't scrubbing my face. Perfect. Are you seeing the face? Are you seeing my face right now? Yes. This is transformation. Isn't it? If it is not transformation, let me know. Tell me, Mara, this is not transformation. The way my face was after waking up from sleeping and now is different. I'm looking so good and I'm looking so young. Give me age. Give me age. Anybody who knows my age, I'm gonna give you something. It might be a big peck, a big hug, or a huge gift. So just give me my age right now. So try this every week and you're gonna love this treatment. So I'm gonna go for my best facial cream. That is my body lotion. Yes, I use my body lotion for my face. Or I'm gonna moisturize the face because I'm just currently from exfoliating my face. So I have to apply lotion to close the pores. Now all the dead dry skin have fallen off. So my face is looking so smooth and flawless. I'm looking like a baby right now. I'm a damsel. Aww. Guys, just try it and let me know what are your results. Beautiful. Everything is done by this tomato. This natural home remedy, no side effects, young forever. This natural remedy, if you take it as a friend, you're gonna remain young forever. And people will be asking your age every now and then because they won't believe that you are getting old. You won't have wrinkles. You will stay away from acne. Yes. And if your face is oily, always use tomato because it's gonna reduce the excess oil and it's also gonna clear dark spot. This is a lot. I love you guys so much and then see you guys in another video. Bye.